Alright, hello, I'm Daniel, and I'm going to show you some birds I've seen. The house wren, the goldfinch, the eastern bluebird, the robin, and blue jay, Carolina chickadee, house finch, killdeer, mallard, northern cardinal, rose-breasted grosbeak, ruby-throated hummingbird, turkey vulture, wild turkey. And all of those particular birds have one thing in common. They're birds. And there's one thing I like to say. You see, seeing all these birds live in America actually, because I live in America. There's a few birds I still want to see, but I haven't got to see yet. But maybe I'll see them someday. And now that I'm older, I'm getting interested in more birds. My favorite bird doesn't live here, but it's still my favorite bird. I've never actually seen one, but I saw a picture of it. It's the brown-headed nuthatch.
Why is that your favorite bird?
Because this is the cutest I've ever seen. And it just looks good. And there's a few things I would like to tell you about some of the birds. You see the house wren, I said that is actually the first one. When it jumps and hops upon the ground, which you probably didn't know, it hangs its tail up. And another one, the eastern bluebird. It is also called the blue wren. Robin, I'm sorry. And the killdeer likes to pretend it's hurt to protect its eggs or babies. And the mallard is my favorite kind of duck. And the rose-breasted grosbeak is my mom's favorite that lives here. And the ruby-throated hummingbird, all the hummingbirds, all the species, have a different sound. And the turkey vulture, just to tell you, but it's not a turkey. And the wild turkey, I think that's the last bird I've seen since. No, not really, but just the last bird I've seen since. I've seen more birds. Well, that's all. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you one more. Where's the birds? All right, the blue jay, sometimes it steals other birds' nests and just drops the other birds' eggs down. All right, that's all now. Bye.